He'll take a deep shot here. And the pass hits, picked off. He ought to be able to use this first punt to pin him deep.
He touched it! Yes! 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 Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Yep. Yep.
They'll start this drive with a pass. Fires left. It's caught down.
That's a touchdown! Boom! Boom! Boom!
Passing touchdown, first of many of the season for this offense. First downs, get some positive momentum.
Looking to the big tight end.
Oh my God.
And they'll pick up the first down and mark it at the 47. Syracuse right back at it. They knew
that's where everything falls apart.
Tight end behind the backers with that play action fake.
Well, it's because I can't, Reese. I have to play the run. You know, all these RPOs, all these different.
Oh my God, that was, he's going. No, 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 no. Oh my God. See, I'm not locked in.
Try to intercept it and make a bad play. He swung.
And this sophomore able to wreak some havoc and get the sack. And the Bobcats decide to punt it away. This will be the second time they've had to kick it away. Down the last time they had it. Defense got to stop, and now it's up to them in a tie game.
All right, so if you're the offensive coordinator here, let's dial it in. Who are your best matchups and best playmakers to take advantage of this golden opportunity?
Yeah, and I'm interested to see this defense, too. Like, the momentum is clearly not in your favor. How do you get it back? How do you make the big...
Good sack. Just gonna do that again.
First down sack, it's second down.
If it ain't broke, don't fix it. You know what I'm saying?
Quarterback on the keeper.
How did he have that much room, bro?
Syracuse right back at it.
Do that again. Just gonna do that again. I'm not like accessible. Just gonna do that again.
They'll try to run for it.
Stop him! Damn it!
Looking downfield, it's McCord.
He didn't get it! He got it!
How about that elusiveness? He's got space.
Stop this fucking guy, bro!
Down, but he got drilled on that tackle. So after the huge chunk play, they've got it first and goal from the 10.
You gotta score another touchdown, bro.
Looking to move it through the air. Grabbed in the backfield. It's Allen. Touchdown, Syracuse. Made the grab and finished the deal in the end zone. He's looking to throw. Gets it out quickly. They make the stop, but this passing game does some damage, and they move the sticks with the first down. And the Bobcats come to the line with a new set of downs. Got it behind the line. It's McCormick.
They know they're in field goal range. They can take the 3 points on the board. That is tough to swallow, but as a QB, I got to walk over to him and say, listen, dude, we're going to need you later on.
How is he still alive? Yo, I'm hitting this dude. I'm hit sticking him.
He's going to pass. They'll throw it to the back on the screen. On the move at the 30. He's run out of bounds, but
Dude, he's cooking us. He is cooking us.
Doing business in the red zone. They're threatening to score, and they'll throw it. Quickly.
Well, you can tell those two have been practicing the out route.
Dude is 9 for 9.
They look like they could have completed that in their sleep.
They'll immediately call timeout. It'll be second down, and remember, they can...
I don't think this is fair, dog.
Back to pass, it's McCord.
Fumble! Get the ball!
And the defense has got it in there trying to pick
Go,
up some
go,
yards.
go, go, go! Oh, yeah.
There he goes down the right side.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Intent to get the... They're going to throw it to start the drive. Oh, batted into the...
Oh, my God! Oh, my God! Oh, my God!
Touchdown, Ohio!
Yeah!
It's coming up with points of their own. One.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
You're behind. You'd love to... Looking deep down the right side. And this is dropped.
What are you doing?
From the gun, wants to pass.
That was stupid.
Incomplete, and
We get the ball.
finish this half. That's the end of the second quarter. That means it's time to join Kevin in our halftime update.
Fellas, a typical first-rate broadcast so far today from Syracuse. And it'd be easy to say these two offenses are glad we've hit halftime based on their respective performances. It would also be accurate. Turnovers and sacks have told the story so far. And you gotta believe the play calling has been the issue, right? Time to shred those game plans and just get back to basics. And with that, let's send it back to the guys inside the dome in lovely central New York.
Syracuse has it teed up, ready to kick off and start this second half. The returner will field it and try to use the play fake. Now to throw. Finds the tight end.
That's a first down. First down.
Now the play fake.
Oh, he's so wide.
Finds his man. It's Hunt. And he almost ran away from everybody on that one. A huge pickup on that play. It'll be a first down from the 49-yard line. Motion.
They're starting to cook up.
To the air on first down.
First down.
The Bobcats come to the line with a fresh set of downs. Moving out of the pocket.
I tried to get rid of it. Why couldn't I get rid of it?
That first down marker might be in the next county. Right down the middle.
We got the field goal.
And sure, tackling there to keep.
We're not going for the field goal.
Despite earlier on fourth down, they will try again.
We're not failing this one. We're not failing on this one. We're not failing on this one.
They'll try it on the ground.
First down. First down.
Running back on, but they're able to get the fourth to keep the drive alive. Let's see what they do next.
Oh no.
Tight end. Run play action. Looking for an open area to his left. Blasted as he
Boom! Boom! Touchdown, Bobcat!
This is when the pressure can ramp up a little bit on an offense, David, when they start feeling the heat to answer a score.
And I think being down 14, you can kind of feel that way. But, dude, if you put a good drive together, this is a 7-point game. So, Palmer, no need to panic.
I was just going to say, David, I mean, this thing can flip quick. You go down, score, all of a sudden your defense gets a stop. Or who knows, better yet, there's a turnover. This game is an entire
Syracuse right back at it. He'll do it himself.
Kill this fucking dude.
They wrestle him to the ground.
Yeah, you're lucky I didn't fucking kill you.
Here's this offense, fresh set of downs.
Did they switch quarterbacks? No.
Back to pass, it's McCord.
I don't know why they're not going for it.
First down, Palmer, but the defense comes up big.
Me personally, I would be going for it.
This one, fourth.
In the gun, looking to throw on third down. Here's one down. He's looking to throw. Unloads it downfield. And they can't.
Bro, you need to catch that!
Second down, now it's third down.
What the fuck?
They line up, and it is a long way to the sticks from here. Third and long, and he'll try to throw for it.
Why did I do that?
Using the quick game.
Why did I do that?
Cats will line up.
Running backs, listen, they don't have much of a chance. When you got that 300-plus pound guy grabbing you around the shoulder pad, you tend to go to the ground pretty quickly.
Stopped at the 47 after a 10-yard gain. We've come to the end of the quarter, and Ohio is on top. They built a comfortable lead after 3 quarters of play. Let's take a look at how we got here. One would be a doozy if they can pull it off. Throws to the tight end. Got it in the middle. It's Gadsden. Just carving up his defense and getting it down to the 24.
I'll tell you, you cannot count this team out because of who's playing quarterback. When this guy's in the game, it's never over. Yeah, they're trailing here in the fourth quarter, but this dude can put up points quickly.
They're starting to cook up, bro.
Looking to throw, it's McCord. He caught it. He gets it in. Touchdown, Orange. That big score makes the end of this game. The Ohio U offense returns to the field. They still have the lead here, Jesse, but this would be a good time to put together a drive.
You're right, Reese. You can't rest easy right now. You just watch the opponent drive down the field and score a touchdown of their own, so you've got to answer that here. Your playmakers better step up.
And I don't know what it is about momentum. In all the locker rooms and all the years, coaching, everything.
And it's intercepted. Hey, huge.
His tight end quickly, knowing he wasn't going to have a lot of space to run.
Where's the blocking?
They were all over him. Nowhere to go.
Where's the blocking?
Play turned into a disaster. Tie game, fourth quarter, and they're going to go for it on fourth down. Grabbed in the middle. It's Pugh.
Got it.
The give to the back. They make the stop.
First down.
15-yard from the gun. They'll try the middle. Solid pickup there.
Yes, sir, bro.
The defense is able to make the stop.
Trying to keep these third downs manageable. You know, you throw the ball on second down and it's incomplete. Now you've set up third and long, and that.
From the gun, the running back has it. Tackling on this dude is a good. They'll leave it with him. And the defense makes the stop after a minimal gain. Clock is still running, and they have to get everybody lined up. The inside handoff. Couldn't quite nudge it in. Not
Game to win the game.
And they slip the run it.
And it's so nice.
Touchdown!
Lead in the fight.
And how about this offense? They knew they needed to execute.
1-0, baby. 1-0.
Together. Now they got a chance to go up by
1-0. Wait, 1-0.
in this ball game.
1-0. 1-0, baby. 1-0.
Came up big in a
That's the football game. QB Neal 1-0. Syracuse Orange done. Done.
Formation.
That's a dub.
They get a big win here.
That's a dub.
On a positive note.
You gotta love that as the players. You come out with so much anticipation coming into the season.
I like that. I like that.
You're able to come out and execute and get this one under your belt. They couldn't be a better way to start the year.
And for the losing team, obviously, it's a little bit different. You have something to look at now to analyze where I need to get a little bit better.
Oh, what? 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 Whoa, 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 whoa. That's a dub. That's a dub. That's a dub. That's a dub. Whew. Play on me. We beat Syracuse, bro. Not cool, dude. Wow. It's not even cool, bro. Dude, I really want this quarterback. I really want this quarterback, bro. David Warrior. Who else wants to come here? I'm not a receiving back type of guy. I'm a running back type of guy. We don't need a punter. I'm really not liking any of these dudes, so. Alright, who we got next week? I forgot. Who we got next week? South Alabama. Boy. South Alabama. Bro, David Warrior will be a great addition, bro. David Warrior will be insane. South Alabama Jaguars 2-0, baby.
Welcome to Peden Stadium, Athens, Ohio, home to the Bobcats of Ohio U. We're looking forward to a full house and a terrific game in this one. We've got a terrific matchup for you today, rich in pageantry and tradition, and it ought to be a fantastic clash. As we'll see a squad from the Sun Belt, the South Alabama Jaguars, taking on a team from the MAC, the Ohio Bobcats. For EA Sports College Football, I'm Reese Davis, joined here in the booth by David Pollack and Jesse Palmer. And guys, let's get this thing started. The Bobcats will put total leather and we'll get started. And he takes this from inside the 5. Game, David.
Got a freshman quarterback.
A guy that I can rely on, that can beat guys over the middle of the field, that can beat man-to-man coverage. This guy's the ultimate weapon.
Yo!
Has an awesome catch radius. You don't have to be perfect as a quarterback when you throw to him. He can make you look good.
The Jaguars in the hurry up.
Defense is going to have their hands full trying to stop this guy. They better rally to the football and get multiple hats because he is not easy to bring down.
Looking to the big tight end. Lopez wants to fire. Right on time. He's down. They'll try the run.
Yep.
Fires to the middle. He's got an open man.
What?
To the races to the right. Touchdown, South Alabama. And once he got loose, it was all over. You want to talk about a great way to start the game and set the tone early.
It's only have to lead the football team, but they got to step up and make plays on the field.
Go! Go! It's going all the way! 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 Touchdown! The freshman! The freshman! Hunt Jr. Oh yeah! Ricky Hunt Jr. Ricky Hunt Jr. He's the future of this fucking school. He's the future of this fucking school. Wow. Wow. That was beautiful.
One play, big chunk yardage, put points on the board just like that. Here he comes from inside his own 5.
Sit your ass down, boy.
Send out the punt unit. And getting out a first look at the afternoon at the punter.
Boom, boom, chicka. Boom, boom, chicka. Boom, 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 chicka.
He only needs a sliver of daylight. Oh, what a move down. Quick strike complete. They make the
Dude, I'm cooking.
It's still short of the first down.
They might need to increase the difficulty. I don't know what it's on, but I might need to increase it.
You got to find a guy that you can throw it to, and you know he's going to catch the ball consistently.
And they'll bring him down, but not before he picks up the first down. And the Bobcats have pushed it inside the 20. Quickly complete.
It's too easy, dude.
As the offense tries to cash in. Going to work on second down in the red zone is still some ground to cover to pick up that first down.
Oh, he gets stopped. Ricky Hunt gets stopped. Let's do it again. You're not gonna stop him twice. You got that dog in him. Ooh. No, bro. We are going for it. We're right there. We're right there. We're going for it. Touchdown! That's a touchdown. That's a touchdown. That's a touchdown. That's a touchdown.
After scoring the touchdown.
You guys better lock in, bro.
He'll start the turn inside his
Got to take a collective breath and start playing
Wow.
like a unit on this one.
and an absolutely fearless tackle. Giving up size, still got him on the turf. Fairly manageable distance here on 3rd down from the 27. Lopez wants to fire. Just a short pass to the tight end. Good.
I swear I had him.
On that one, they got it out to the 40, and it's 1st down. The Jaguars come to the line with a fresh set of downs. Wants to throw on 1st down. The quick out. And he's
Part of this offensive success.
caught in the backfield. It's Ivory.
Had to hear
And he's
that.
gonna just keep throwing.
Bro,
Finds his big tight end. Really
I play Fortnite. I used to play Call of Duty, but like, I don't really play Call of Duty anymore.
fresh set of downs for this offense.
Yeah, I don't really play Call of Duty anymore.
Has to pass.
I play a lot of this.
Forced out of the
Bro!
pocket. He's good. He's back to throw on
Get him!
2nd down.
Get this dude. Thank you.
And wants to pass.
Yo,
Now
yo.
improvising. And he's gonna be
All right, we hold them to a field goal.
now on
Hold them to a field goal, assuming they make it, which they probably will.
He'll try to knock it
But-
from the right hash and 35 yards.
Almost missed it.
It's good. After putting up the field goal, they're set to kick it away.
And you back them off a little bit. You get a little
Oh,
It's really
I need to lock in.
easy to match up on a linebacker or a safety. I like working those guys in those matchups. Favorable for the offense for sure.
Coming through. Now to throw.
I have IG.
Downfield. He threw that one with some serious heat.
Oh, I forgot to put it in my bio. That's on me. My bad.
To get it in there. Dropping back, it's Navarro. Makes his connection. And that completion good for a short game, but they still have some work to do to pick up the 1st down. The play action fake.
TikTok. Do you got TikTok? Because my
Trying to cap this drive with the pass. Got out of trouble and throw. Fine,
Down.
ended up with a 1st and goal. And he takes it to the house. Touchdown, Bobcats.
rookie of the year, freshman of the year. Yo, bro. This dude's going. And then I can text you on TikTok before I get my IG set up.
21 to Iowa State. We promise to keep you.
Try to at least cut a little something off of this lead before the break. Shoots it to the left.
Interception! Interception! Belt to ass! Belt to ass! Whatcha? Whatcha? Bro.
I like the decision.
I don't have an Instagram. I'm sorry, I don't have an Instagram.
Accuracy that was not good location on the throw. Got away from him a little bit, and the defense able to come up with a big play.
Way to crank up the 2nd half. On the run from inside his own 5. Nice job running game.
And they made a huge statement, too. Just proving...
That shit was crazy.
Meet the physical challenge of this offense.
Block!
It's Pugh. He's run out of back. From the shotgun, the handoff to the back.
Oh my god! Oh, I thought he had a touchdown.
From the gun, wants to pass.
I got hit.
He got smacked just as he released the pass.
Bro, we go
It's
for it.
incomplete.
And finally, the defense is able to get some pressure on this quarterback. They had been trying all game long, different ways to affect him. Weren't able to get there, but on that...
How do you drop that? How do you drop that? No, bro.
On 3rd down.
Please don't say that's on me, bro.
But there is a flag.
That's not a-
The D might have been a little too rough on the quarterback there. You just
This is something positive, just really annoying as a defensive guy.
Lopez wants to fire. He puts a lot of air under it down the sideline.
Interception!
The return never really got started, but
Belt to...
The football, letting them get some positive yards.
they finally get him on the ground, but the big running play moves the chains for the 1st down. Here's this offense with a fresh set of downs. Going up top on 1st down. Unloads to the wideout. Complete downfield. Looking to move it through the air. Pulls it in.
Touchdown! Oh my God, we're cooking them.
Stomping has commenced. One of the most valuable things a quarterback can have, David, short-term memory. Just forget the last pick.
You dang.
Third and short from the 45. He's right on target. From the gun, the ground game. Shakes off the defender. Bulldozes his way through.
Who is that, bro?
Is a way to buy time. On the run, and he'll slow for it on third down.
Oh yeah, you fucking suck. Fucking suck.
And on fourth down, they'll try to put 3 on the board. It's good. He could have hit a string right in the middle of the uprights there. So after the made field goal, they'll kick it away and rely on their defense. He'll bring it back from inside his 5. Fires to the wideout.
That's a dot. That's just a dot. That's a dot.
Talk about spreading the ball around, everyone getting a chance to show off the hands based on the number of targets we've seen.
Everybody's getting a rock. Pew.
Okay, now first down from the 37. And that pass intercepted.
Damn.
Trying to take it back.
Damn, he took that to the crib.
And he has taken it all. Touchdown, Jaguars.
And this defense has had a rough day, but how about this play? Breaking on the football, making the pick, taking it to the house.
And I get the 2. Make it a 14-point game. Alright, bro.
Makes it in for the deuce, and now it's a 14.
I don't like this.
From inside the 10, here he comes. Nice shot.
I believe I've only thrown 1 in my life, but yes, I do because of that singular instance.
First down. Makes the catch. It's Hunt. After the pickup of 9, it's 2nd and 1.
Yo, Ricky Hunt Jr. is a demon.
They'll ride the running back and leave it with it. Fake. Now to throw. A shot toward the end zone.
Oh my God.
And here's the pick. And
Oh my God. Is that another intercept? Yo.
And
All
the
right, bro.
offense makes the tackle in frustration after the interception. Drive comes up empty, and it's
2 in a row, bro.
Lopez to pass.
This is a tough part of the field.
He'll go for it on fourth down. Quickly out to the tight end.
Did I just get a...
Stop it. There is a flag on the field. We'll see what that's all about.
Yeah. Yeah.
After the incompletion, back to the passing game. Fires into the end zone. And that one's way too far for everybody.
And that's just a huge missed opportunity on offense. QB missed his guy wide open in the end zone. You might not get another clean look like that in the rest of this game.
He's dropped behind the line of scrimmage. That'll be a loss of 3.
Well, the defense finally able to make a play, getting a tackle for loss. They haven't had many of those today because this running back really has
missed it.
They knew Cummings consistently for him.
Going to try to get it himself. On the run, and he'll slide to avoid the hit. A nifty pickup there. The Jaguars heading quickly to the line. Lopez wants to fire. Makes the catch. He stopped almost immediately. He didn't get much, but he didn't need much. They've got the first down. He's looking to throw it. Quarterback adapted. He'll try to do it himself down. Tight end finds a soft spot. Nice pitch.
Why do I always sell?
Play on 3rd and 10. Hit as he throws. Got his man downfield. He's finally stopped a terrific run after the catch. Quick timeout call by the offense after the play, trying to preserve every minute possible. Got it. Takes
Get back in this football game.
Let's get this
just
onside.
under a minute and a half to play, and to have a shot, you got to believe they pick up the tempo. Looking to throw, it's Navarro. Fires toward the end zone.
How you drop that, bro?
Goes through his hands. Oh, he had an explosive play right there for the taking, but couldn't reel it in.
Oh,
28.
they sealed the game.
He's knocked down in the backfield. He'll lose a couple. So on 4th down, here comes the field goal kicker in a huge spot. Getting some heat.
My hands are sweaty.
Hands. It's Woods. In short, they'll try to pick it up with the pass.
All right, see ya.
Finding wide open defenders all over the field. His third
That's the game. That's the game. Hey, 2-0. 2-0. 2-0. 2-0. 2-0. 2-0. 2-0. That's what I'm talking about. 2-0. Hey.
They won the game today. That's 2 in a row. If they win the next one, it's called a winning streak. It's been done before.
Seeing the identity of this team come into fruition.
Ricky Hunt Jr. is the future. Ricky Hunt Jr. is the future of this whole fucking school.
Who their big playmakers are.
Which is tough to do, right? It's tough to grow throughout a season and understand who you are. But when you stack wins week after week.
2 followers. Hey. We're going 3-0. Who we got now? I'm not even good at luck. Gain XP whenever a player levels up. Alright. Three sacks, 3. Yo. Caden Schmitz. Alright, bro. Ricky Hunt Jr. That's my boy. It's not gonna be national though. That's my boy. Oh, this is our first game. Oh, straight about the ass. Not even gonna lie with you. We're number 2. We have a chance. Oh, you'll get playing time. Don't worry, brother. Game 3. Game 3, FCS Midwest. There's Ricky Hunt Jr. He's a 76 overall. He's doing all this. He's a demon, bro. Ricky Hunt Jr. Oh my God! I thought I was the worst team. I swear I thought I was the worst team. I didn't know you can get that bad. I swear on everything, I thought I was the worst team. That is crazy. That is crazy.
Welcome to Peden Stadium,
Ohio. About the ass. 3-0. Oh, 3-0.
What an exciting matchup we have in store for you this afternoon, built around the pageantry, tradition, and everything that makes college football great. As we'll see, the Coyotes taking on a team from the MAC, the Ohio Bobcats. For EA Sports College Football, I'm Reese Davis, David Pollack, and Jesse Palmer with me. Guys, it's time to get it going. The Coyotes will kick it off to get us underway. From inside his own 10, he'll try to help out their field position. Good team the entire stadium seems to feed off of.
You can feel it. It's different. It's special. Guys like this don't come around very often.
The lone back's got it. Not a whole lot of... They're bringing heat. Can't make the connection.
Maybe I underestimated them.
Punted away on 4th down. They'll have to punt for the first time.
Maybe I did.
And it'll be down right there.
Maybe I underestimated him. It's a little bit.
The Coyotes offense will go to work for the first time today. As we take a look at our impact players for this.
Coaches to re-recruit their own players as well to try to keep those rosters intact. But the transfer portal completely flips rosters upside down. One team that struggles this year, if they get one key addition, it's a team potentially competing for a national championship next season.
4th down, and the punt team sends it the other way. On the return, it's Howard. That's a perfect example.
Estimate these guys?
Back, it's Navarro. Throws to the wideout. Wide open downfield. And they'll do more than 19. Touch pass on the jet sweep. Makes his man miss. Deep. He's looking to throw. Now he's going to glide away from pressure.
Touchdown! Hey, that's a tutty. That's a tutty. Tutty. Touchdown. Tutty. Touchdown.
The ability to know where he's going to be and be accurate with the football. That's what leads to nice touchdowns, Jesse.
Well, and the chemistry between these two guys has to be great when you're throwing into the end zone because coverage is going to be tight. The throw might not be perfect, but this is something these two guys have been repping in practice over and over and over.
Out of the gun, the running back has it. Shakes off the tackle.
Yo! Yo! What?
Running free down the middle.
Oh my God! This is the worst team in college football.
They couldn't stop him. Touchdown, Dingoes.
The Dingoes.
You know, oftentimes in college football, the best offenses are the ones that can create explosive plays.
Is this really happening right now?
Right there. They're top 10 in the nation in points per game because
explosive touchdown just like that. He'll bring it out from inside his own 10. Just never off the play fake. Throws for the tight end.
Oh, I swear that was a pick.
Linebackers, it freezes those safeties because they have to come up for a second.
Good shit.
They come to the line.
Fuck it. Oh my God, why did I do that? Why did I do that? What is wrong with me?
Final play of the quarter coming. He's gonna pass. Got his man quick.
Oh.
Stop, and that's how the first quarter will end. We played one, and we are right back where we started, all tied up after the first period as we take a look at the stats.
I'm not impressed. I'm not impressed.
Muscling ahead on 3rd and short. Finding open areas.
Dude. Jasper Bracey, 4 rushes, 100 yards, and a touchdown.
The defense finally able to make the stop. Now from inside the red zone. Coming after it.
Yep.
Here comes the rush.
Okay.
Deep shot for the end zone.
Catch it!
And it slips. Lets it fly deep down.
Interception!
And it'll be intercepted in the end zone.
I'm going to the crib! I'm going to the crib! I'm going to the crib! Ooh, ooh, that's a pick six. That's a pick six. End zone to end zone. End zone to end zone. 102 yards. 102 yards.
And the PAT gives them a 14-7 lead. Let's go to the studio now and check in with Kevin Connors. Kevin, what do you got?
Boys, if it's happening in college football, we've got eyes on it. Check this out. Wake Forest is in front. They've controlled the line of scrimmage, and we've got you covered all day here in studio, guys.
And how about that one? Kevin will be keeping an eye on everything. Ran right through the defender.
Yo!
He's loose on the right. And the defense couldn't corral him, and he took it all the way. Touchdown, Dingoes!
Well, this offense is top 10 in the country in points per game because they've got a lot of speed and they've got home run hitters. They score fast. They don't need 10 plays to go down.
Bro, who is this dude?
They've recruited well. They've got playmakers. They're going to be a...
Who is this dude? Because this dude is fucking a demon. This is a fucking demon.
From inside his own 10, let's see what he gets. Able to find enough from their own 30. Oh, they really could have used that catch there. Physical pass defense. It brings up a 4th down. The Bobcats will send out the punt unit. This will be the second time they've had to kick it away. Shy of the 30. No reason to be in a big rush. They have some time here late in the half. One running back in the backfield, and he has it. And he got enough.
Bro, he has 200 yards on 6 runs.
One more snap off before the 2-minute warning. Using the quick game. The clock has stopped and we've reached a run play action. Just too much of a run. 3rd and long. He'll need to loosen up that arm. He looks that one in nicely. Timeout called here by the defense.
They're punting.
First one they've used this half.
We have a chance to score and then get the ball back.
Call on their punt team. This will be the second time they've had to kick it away. Now it's going to get a... He's looking to throw. Caught over the middle. It's Pugh. And they'll finally get him down after a terrific pickup. Now on 1st down for this offense. He's looking to throw it. Firing to the right, complete. They make the stop after the catch and still some work to do to pick up that 1st down. Quick tempo, no huddle offense. 2nd down, clock's running. Going for it all.
Boom! That's a dot! That's a dot! That's a dot. That's a dot.
Love the execution by this offense. Late in the half, man, you want to take the lead.
Ian Pugh.
That momentum on your side, and they do.
Look at that dot, bro.
With the passing game, and tell you what, keep that passing game up. You can keep this lead, keep the momentum, and keep putting up numbers.
They'll try to add another to their lead. And the extra point is 2, and they're on top by 7.
Let me get the ball.
So they got the touchdown, now going to put it in the hands of their defense to finish off this half. Here he comes from inside his own 5. On 2nd down, looking again to throw.
Interception. He threw it right to me. Threw it right to me. And I'm going to miss the field goal.
2 interceptions already in this game. He's got to do a much better job of his decision making.
And in the final seconds of the 1st half, they'll send out the...
I actually made it. I actually made it. Wow. I actually made it. Wow. Okay.
Wait, 2 quarters here. Time to go to Kevin Connors in our halftime update.
Guys, who's had a better seat there in Athens, Ohio for an entertaining 1st half than you? Here's a quick recap. It's easy to say these 2 offenses are glad we've hit time based on their respective performances. It would also be accurate. Turnovers and sacks have told the story so far.
Dude, that dude is insane. That dude is insane, bro.
Right? Time to shred those game plans and just get back to basics. And with that, let's send it back to our men at Peden Stadium.
And the Bobcats will boot it away to start the 2nd half. Fielded in the end zone. It's Flowers.
Now, you're getting your quarterback hit and taken to the ground. This offense has to protect.
Oh my God. That...
They gave nothing away in the 1st half, and here they are in the 2nd half defending a deep ball.
Good timing on the quick out.
Love the
Get
coverage,
the ball back.
not giving up an inch defensively. Their third down, smothering the receiver. As soon as he caught the ball, down he went. They've got this offense pinned.
He's got great speed. Excellent coverage.
To make longer passes and get better gains so we don't have to kick long field goals, Palmer, again on offense. And they've got the ball a ton. You can trust him. Getting the ball to different wide receivers. He's really
Touchdown! Touchdown! Straight belt to ass. Straight belt to ass.
No step back in week 3. They have been sharp as they extend the lead.
3-0, baby.
Thanksgiving turkey. There's being caught. No shot. They have no idea how to get in this quarterback's head.
He's on fire. Everything he's doing is working defensively. We got to figure something out. We got to try to do something a little bit.
On 3rd and long, no secret what he needs here.
Another sack, dude.
Defense gets loose, bringing the heat, and down he goes. Stuck in reverse. They hope the punt can bail them out. On the return, it's Howard.
Am I going all the way? No.
Very little. First down to throw. He's got it on the move.
Another first.
Coverage there did not stop him from making the grab. It's first and goal from the 8. New center down.
Fuck it.
On the doorstep
Fuck it.
for this offense.
Ricky Hunt Jr.
They'll use the running game on first and goal.
Do it again. Let's just gonna do that again.
Way down
We got halfway there.
as they get closer.
I want to get bro a touchdown.
Defense trying to come up with a stop on 2nd and goal.
Touchdown, Ricky Hunt Jr.
Has started. Lining up to add another. The kick is up and good and put one more on the lead. Quick strike offense on that 3-play scoring drive. And they finish it off with the score from the 4. 5th time if they don't pick up the first down here. Unloads to the wide.
Interception.
That is interception number 3 on the day. Throw it on first down. Fires to the wideout.
Touchdown.
Touchdown Bobcats. And the punishment has been extended.
Wow, we're fucking these dudes up, dude.
And the extra point just tacks a little bit more onto this huge lead. Lining up to cover the kick after that touchdown drive. And he'll bring it back. And they'll from the gun, wants to pass. Trying to get to it. He'll pull it down. Still on his feet at the 45. Nifty little
Holy
step.
shit, that dude got some speed.
First down, willing to take 2 plays to get the first. Quick completion on the out route. They've got it just by multiple possessions. You can't come up in.
This is, what is this, QB3?
Go for it on 4th down. He's got him and they convert. They tries again to get it in. Into the end zone he goes. Touchdown Dingoes. This game is almost certainly decided already, but the good news is for the next game, guys still flying around, still playing hard, not really hanging their heads.
Long season. This is early in the season. Still
Doing too much.
Time. Still find out which plays you like, which you don't, and keep running them, keep getting better at them. So use this as practice.
Got so many different playmakers. All
Fires into traffic, it's picked off. He'll try to take it back. And after a minute,
Toss.
he's looking to throw. They'll run the screen. They ripped off 7 on that one. Now a 3rd down and 3. Trying to pick up a first down. Wants to throw on 3rd. Fires one high and deep. Touchdown Dingoes! And once he found some daylight, it was time to make a house call.
And it took a minute, but the passing attack now on board. The first passing touchdown of the season. And it took to the second half, but I'll tell you what, this offense will find its rhythm. They'll grow. They'll get better throughout the season. And this is going to be a hard passing attack to stop.
If they're going to pull off this big rally, they'll need to get this one back. They line up for the onside kick. Now, how will they respond, Jesse?
And this is the kind of guy who's going to take full accountability. That was my bad. That's on me. I'm about to leave.
First down leaves them with 2nd and 4.
Touchdown.
Touchdown, Bobcats.
It's too easy, bro.
They tack a little more onto this lead, and they're on their way to a 3-0 start.
Salt into wound, right? Late in the fourth quarter, you can run the football, run this game out. No, sir. I'm going to continue to pad my stats, find my receiver out wide, and get me another touchdown.
He'll start the return inside his 5. Nice job by the kick.
Some stank on this. I'm going to throw it as hard as
Interception. Crib. 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 Crib.
He's at the 10. Touchdown, Ohio. What a great play by the defensive, paying it off with the interception return. That lead's a little more comfortable now as they close in on a victory here in week 3. And for a quick update, let's go to Kevin Connors in the studio.
Dynamite matchup today, fellas. Let's show you what's going down. Georgia State is trailing right now, but I'm not... We'll circle back. If anything big happens, you should know about it.
Thanks for the update, Kevin. He's looking to throw. He's taking a deep shot late in the game. From the gun, wants to pass. Bought a little time, lets it go. They're working now on 3rd and long. Try to convert through the air.
Interception.
To the end zone. It's picked off. Taking it the other way.
To the crib. To the crib. To the crib. To the crib. Hey, to the crib. To the crib. To the crib. To the crib. Oh. What are we hitting, Quiddy? What are we hitting?
right. You thought this game's over as it is anyways. Offense still throwing the football, still
Boom.
trying to make plays, and the defense just continues to pour it on, gets the pick, makes its way all the way to the end zone.
Almost ready to kick it away after scoring the touchdown.
Yo, this fucking toss in the towel.
And the return
Let's just call the game there.
pick up on a little bit short.
3-0, baby. 3-0. 3-0.
Well, this was an
3-0.
We thought it would be a high-scoring game, and it certainly delivered.
If you love offense, then you love this type of game. Both offenses going up and down the field, seemingly at will. Throwing the ball, running the ball, but
3-0.
like if you're a fan of defense, maybe this wasn't your cup of tea.
More defense optional. He didn't really get too much of that stuff, but you know, listen, you got to get a few stops late in the game. Actually, just kind of one stop with this many points that were being scored. You got the stop late. That's why you got the dub.